In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a comment on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then, in order to delete a comment, first off you need to open the post where you wrote it. If you can't remember exactly where you left your comment, you should do the following. Just tap at profile picture, then hit at 3 lines and select your activity. Then tap at interactions. You will be taken to this page where you should tap at comments. That will show you all the comments that you have ever left from that Instagram profile. And from here you can scroll down to check your older comments, and once you find one you want to delete, you can just tap on that. That opens up the post where you left that comment and that comment right here. And in order to delete it, just swipe to the left to show up that trash icon, and then just hit on that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.